Okay, so I have this is my personal truck, 2015 F150 XLT. It is wrapped in Avery midnight blue metallic, I think matte metallic. Doing this video now, I'm sitting here, start tearing apart my truck, and it's like, oh crap, I probably should video this for a couple people that want to do their LED headlights. So as I was saying, I already started, so the other side's done. This side is started. You have a 5.5 millimeter here, 5.5 millimeter there, and then 5.5 millimeter right there. The other thing you have is a twist pin right there. I don't have to take that out, but it makes it easier. So just unscrew it counterclockwise, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Take your pry tool. Well, I guess it would help if I pointed at it. Right there. Pop that out. Set that in the cart, so you don't lose it. The other thing that helps too is to have your wheels turned. Let's see here. So, see if I can prop you up to where you can actually see anything. I'll just do it one-handed. So you want to take your inner fender well carpet and you want to push it out and around that tab. And the more you pull it out, the more room you're going to give yourself. Should be good to access all this in here. So right there is a plug or cover, and I'll show you the next cover in a second, but that's your high beam. Your fog light's right there. So you're going to turn that counterclockwise until it comes free. And then lift up on those two tongs and pull it out. That is Sylvania 9140. Yeah, I just threw it, but switching over to the H10. I might have to set you down for this part. Let me see if I can possibly. Grab that wiring. Load that back in. Turn it counterclockwise. Same position you had it pulled out. It's hard to see from that angle, but and then rotate it back straight. Right there. Straight up and down. That's where you want it. Now, as I was saying before, carpet got pushed back up in. There's your high beam. Just grab that rubber, pull that out. Sorry for the shaky video on this. It's not as easy to show as the door panels and rear decks and everything that I usually show. Either way, you're going to pull that out. I set it right there on the tire. Reach in there, do the same thing you did on the fog light. Counterclockwise, and pull that right out. Okay, again, that's your high beam. HB3. Can you grab me the top of the box over there, hon? Yep, just slide it to me.
Got it.
Yep.
But there was what? Not left?
I'm on YouTube. So this is the kit I'm using. It's a C-Light Secure Light kit. Got it off Amazon. It comes with fog lights, headlights, or high and low beams, I should say. So, as we were saying, HB3. Come in here. And it says on the tag H11. So that is low beam. So, oops, sorry about that. So this one here has the tab on it. Just line that up with the tongs like you'd fold the other one off. Okay. Now obviously you have more wiring to tuck up in the hole of the bulb. Or you can leave it open. I always tuck them up in to be able to put the dust shield back on. Headlights are wrapped in Vivid's light smoke hexagon pattern. Probably not going to be able to see me put this one in, but let's see here. It's a lot of feel when you're doing this, as you can't see. There it is. There it isn't. There we go. Okay, so while your arm is up in there, reach obviously above it. Peel off the next cover. Same style cover. Reach up in there counterclockwise, just like the rest of the bulbs. That includes the other side. Okay, this one I can't really show you, but it's a pinch tab style that comes off, and that one is the H11. So the other thing too is this is marked positive, negative. Okay. So we're going to do positive and negative on the same side as the tab, because this one obviously has tabs on both sides. Line me back up here. Clip back in. And turn those on just to make sure. Yep, you can see it's already lit up. As you can see, the truck is not done being wrapped. I'm working on it in between other customers. Vehicles. Alright, so same thing with this. This one here, the high beam, the low beam, sorry, is tighter. So feeding all this wiring in there is just kind of like a mind game. What I have found is that when you put your hand up in that hole, the place with the most space is actually towards your grill and in the bottom corner. So I like to stick I don't know the technical term, the box down in that corner. Probably like a ballast or something. And then I put the plug in the bottom right corner. That gives me enough room to put the bulb in and spin it. Make sure all the wiring is tucked in. And then you can put all your caps back on. Bolts and the plastic pin over there back on. And you're good to go. If you have any questions on it, I'll do the best I can to answer it. And if you have any concerns or anything about that, let me know. If you want to know the part number, I'll try to look that up and put it in the description. These are very good. Haven't had any issue with the cutting out the radio, transmission issues with that. And they're not super expensive. They're nice. Nice kit by Sea Light. All right, guys, I'll catch you later.